In this video, we will go through about layers of the heart. Here you are seeing a picture of heart without any covering. In real life, the heart is covered by a wet surface called serous pericardium. So, if we dissect the heart like this, we can see all the layers of the heart. We will take a small segment and zoom in. Here you can see all the layers of the heart, starting from the inner side, the endocardium, myocardium and the epicardium. We will now go through all of these in a little more detail, starting from the endocardium. Endocardium is the innermost layer lined by simple squamous epithelial tissue. It means that it is in direct contact with the blood. If we see the inner side of heart, valves are present. So what are these made up of? Double layer of endocardium. Tricuspid valve, mitral valve, pulmonic valve and aortic valve all are made up of endocardium. Endocardium also form heart-blood barrier. Underneath endocardium, myocardium is present. So, it is the middle layer of heart and also thickest layer. It consists of mainly muscles or muscle fibers. That is why it helps in contraction of the heart. You may notice that the left ventricle is much thicker than the right ventricle because the left ventricle has to pump the blood to the whole body. That is why myocardium is thickest in left ventricle. Conduction system like synode and AV node also found in myocardium. The third layer of heart is called the epicardium. Epicardium is not a part of the heart itself, but since it sits so tight to the myocardium, it is considered as a part of heart layers. Epicardium is actually visceral lamina of the serous pericardium, which is the covering of the heart. Pericardium has two layers, inner is visceral and outer is parietal. Both are separated across the whole heart but are connected at the backside of the heart, where the great vessels are. Between these two layers, there is a fluid present called pericardial fluid, 10 to 20 milliliters in amount. So that was all about layers of the heart, and I hope that was helpful.